Welcome to the DIY Homefront. It's Ben, and in this episode we're going to talk about some ways to stop simple erosion. So let's get into this. So if you've got erosion, I've got two ideas that might help you stop it. First one is ashes from a fire. I make a lot of fires in this fire pit, so I've always got ashes. Between the pine cones and tree limbs and other things that we collect, we burn it all and we have plenty of ashes. And those ashes almost always go to the same place. The front corner of our property is probably the low spot, so the water slowly goes that direction when we have these torrential rains. And it's not really something you can fix once and walk away from, because between the hurricanes and the summer thunderstorms, what you do this week might get washed away next, and that's why all those ashes always seem to go to the same spot. The second thing that I have found that really helps stop water erosion is sawdust or the wood chips left over from a chainsaw. So I do a lot of woodworking projects from time to time, and I collect all that sawdust, and I have milled quite a bit of my own lumber with the chainsaw. And I take all the leftover chainsaw chips and I put them wherever there's erosion. This is all left over from when I was cutting some wood with the chainsaw. It does excellent too, along with sawdust. If you've got some home improvement projects and you're cutting a bunch of wood, when you sweep up that sawdust, don't put it in the trash or put it someplace where you have water erosion. And here we are at the stretch of the road right by my driveway. It's not really showing up on camera, but I'm pointing to a line where the water has eroded some of the ditch. A little bit of chainsaw chips may not seem like much, but it really does work. I would have to say the only downside is that it doesn't look that attractive. But it does look better than having deep cuts in the ground from where the water's running through. And it lasts just as long as the gravel, which I have tried. And here's another load of wood chips from my chainsaw. And I'll use my shovel, and just like that, I'll have it spread out. So there you have it. Now you know what to do with ashes and sawdust. Use it to help water erosion. Well, that's it for now. Like, subscribe, check out those playlists, and I'll see you in that next video.